Got that one.
Howdy from Texas. This is Heath Hipple with Bugs Fishing, coming to you today from the office warehouse of Bugs Fishing. We are up in Magnolia, and you can stop by here and buy bugs. Magnolia is a northwest suburb of Houston. Speaking of the rest of the Houston area, if you're in the Katy area, you can go to Anglers Anonymous. You can also go to all three of the Fishing Tackle Unlimited locations. You can go to Hooked on Tackle if you're south of town, and on the way to Galveston, you can go to Adventure Sports and Outdoors. So Bugs fishing lures are great for redfish, flounder, and trout in the shallow waters along the Texas coast. They land softly, they look alive in the water, and they imitate what the fish are eating. And I highly recommend you have some on your next saltwater fishing trip. Catch you later.
Got that one.
You definitely got that one.
Here, come get this rod. Get this shit.
You're mine.
I'm making a video of the next one doing that dumb shit.
On the beastie bug. Oh, thick. Oh, you thick, son. That guy.